Hey fellow traders, in this video we're gonna take a look at the PZ day trading indicator for MT4. You can download the indicator by the link in the description below. To run the indicator, simply drag the PZ day trading indicator from the indicator list to your MT4 chart. And please don't forget to click on the Load Daily Imports in the settings window. I also want to recommend you the FXSI order book indicator. It is an ultimate tool for analyzing market sentiment and crowd behavior. On the left side you can see the distribution of stop loss and limit orders of retail traders. On the right we have positioning of open trades. Blue are lost trades, orange winning trades. To the left, sellers. To the right, buyers. This information provides infinite possibilities for market analysis. Learn more and try this indicator for free using the link in the description below. Along with order book, you will also get access to 7 other sentiment indicators. The PZ day trading indicator provides arrow-based bullish and bearish forex trading signals, so you can place buy and sell trades accordingly. Additionally, the indicator uses high-low filter for these arrow trading signals. The indicator works well in all intraday price charts, as well as the daily, weekly and monthly price charts. So how to trade with PZ day trading indicator? As you can see on the chart, the indicator shows the bullish and bearish rectangles in blue and red respectively. Additionally, the indicator displays the buy and sell arrow trading signals in blue and red. Furthermore, the analysis of winning trades, losing trades and the average profits of these signals are shown in white. If the indicator displays a blue rectangle with an arrow, it indicates a bullish trading signals. You can enter a buy position with a stop loss below the bullish rectangle. On the other hand, profits can be booked at the opposite forex trading signals. Similarly, once a red rectangle appears on the price chart, it indicates the beginning of a bearish market. So you can place a sell trade with a stop loss above the bearish rectangle. The best take profit point is the opposite arrow trading signals. However, technical traders using these arrow-based forex trading signals can book profits with a good risk-reward ratio. The indicator can be best applied to top-down technical analysis. The market trend identified in higher time frame charts flow through the lower time frame price charts. So technical forex traders can use the higher time frame charts to identify the price trend while using the lower time frame price chart to identify the best entry point. Similarly, the market tends to respect the price reversal points in higher time frames than the lower ones. So you should use the indicator in confluence with other technical tools. The indicator has a lot of settings to customize the indicator as well as its displaying color and style. The PZ day trading indicator is indeed efficient in identifying the bullish and bearish market conditions, and traders can effectively day trade. However, forex traders using trading signals appearing near support, resistance, trend lines and channels should approach with caution. Moreover, you can download the indicator by the link in the description below. Bye bye!